Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to build a bar chart race using the latest Tableau version 2020. If you do not have Tableau 2020, you can download the free Tableau Public. Just enter your email address here and click download the app. After that, go to the World Bank and download the GDP dataset. Be sure to download the Excel dataset. And next, go to my GitHub and run this Jupyter notebook. Basically, the notebook is to clean up the data set. It looks like this. The notebook will load the data from the World Bank. After that, clean up the data and create a new data file, which is called historicalgdp.xls. And this is the file we use for Tableau. Next, open the Tableau Public and connect it to the Microsoft Excel file, which is this file that's created from the Jupyter notebook. Open the file and load the data. Now the data is loaded, go to sheet 1. Now we are ready to raise the GDP. Click and drag the GDP to columns. Next, we want to label the bars, drag country to label. And we want the bars to be of different color, drag country to color. Next, we want to create a new calculated field. Under dimensions, drop down menu, create calculated field, and we call it rank. And type in this line of code, create apply to see that calculation is valid, and click OK. Now rank is created. Click and drag to rows. Next, to configure the rank, there's a little triangle here for drop down menu. Select discrete, and then drop down menu again for rank. Compute using country. Next, we want to configure the animation. Click and drag here to pages. And then turn animation on for format animations. By default, it's off, turn it on, and set the transition duration to 1 second. And look for the animation control over here. You drag to somewhere in the middle and click play. Now you can see that the animation is running already. Next, we do some simple customization. The first thing to customize is to change the sheet name over here. Double click on the sheet name and change it to top 10 countries, historical GDP by year. So the chart title will also be changed. Now we configure the chart title, double click and select everything. Choose font size 26, bold it and center alignment. Okay, now this is nice. Next, we change the x-axis limit. Double click on the x-axis, change the range to fixed and to end at 21 trillion. And it will be changed automatically. Close it. And next, you want to display only the top 15 countries. Okay, close animation. Drag rank to filters. And then click OK. Now to configure the rank, this drop down menu here again. Compute using country. And key in only 15 countries instead of 200 and click OK. And now we see the top 15 countries. Select the view to change it to entire view. Next, we want to increase the label size. Click on label. Under font, drop down, change the font size to be 20. Nice. And we want to increase the bar size. Click on size, drag the slider to the right, and you can see the bar size increase. Okay. And we want to add a year label to the chart. Right click here, click on annotate area. Okay, and type in page name. Okay, select and increase the font size to be 48 and click OK. And there you are. Resize it and locate it in the middle of the chart. Next, we want to grade off the bottom 5 countries. So you right click here, annotate area. This time around you do nothing and click OK. A gray box is formed. You right click the gray box and click format. Under shading, you drag the shading to be 75%, and after that you resize the gray box to cover the bottom 5 countries. And there you are, the bar chart race is ready and it should be working properly. Next, you can save your file. Click File, Save to Tableau Public, and give it a file name and click Save. And that is all, and your chart will be published on Tableau Public here, and it's working. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.